Let's get started folding this paper airplane. First, make a half fold. And then open it up and take the corner forward to the center crease. And then the other side. After that, take the corner for the triangle along the edge. Okay, take this top point and fold up. Okay, now we can see crease here, and take this corner and fold it to the crease. Okay, the other side. And then there is a new corner. We will take this corner, fold to the center crease. We can leave a small gap here. Okay, for the other side. Okay, then we will fold along the center crease. Flatten it. Next, we will fold the wings like this. Flip it over and fold the other side. Okay, we have finished.